to find and access TikTok Shop. Can't find TikTok Shop on your app? Here's how to access it and fix the issue if it's not showing. TikTok Shop is only available in certain regions. Make sure your account is registered in a supported country like the Philippines, UK, or US. Now, go ahead and go to your app store and update TikTok. Outdated versions may not show the TikTok Shop app. TikTok Shop works best with business or creator accounts. Switch your account type in the settings if you're still on personal. Once enabled, you'll see the Shop tab at the bottom of your TikTok app. Tap it to browse products, deals, and affiliate options. If TikTok Shop still does not appear, you can go ahead and clear your cache, log out and back in, reinstall TikTok and confirm your region and age meet requirements. To access the TikTok Shop, update your app, check region, switch account type, and troubleshoot if needed.